right, I'm going to give you an overview on our lineup of different saw hoods, explain to you how they all work, what the differences are, so that you can pick the best saw hood. So we have the Sawhood White, which is the original saw hood here. We have the Sawhood Pro, which is the Pro version. And then we're also going to go over the Saw Hoodie in the back there. So for the Sawhood White, it actually comes like this, folded in half, and you can unbuckle here. And so that means you can refold it to throw it back in your truck. But once you have unfolded it, it has basically like tent pole connections inside here. So they can be a little bit hard to get back apart. But if you take it off your saw, you can also put it in your truck or, you know, start it in your garage, just like this, flat, just twice as wide, if you don't want to do the work to fold it up. So once you unfold it, this guy can go on a mobile setup. He's also a great saw hood to put in your home shop if you're just going to leave it there permanently. So it's really nicely on a bench. This front cover is removable. So if you want to have more working space, you can just peel it off and Velcro's on. And then if you want to get better dust collection, Velcro it back down. Totally up to you. It adjusts to fit any saw. So all of these saw hoods are going to mount by using the accessory holes on the back of your saw. And the arm comes with a little adapter piece here. So this is going to make it so that it can fit different diameters of accessory holes. So if your accessory hole is wider, put that adapter on to make it tight. If it's narrower, take it off. So these pins just drop right into the accessory holes. Depending on the width of your saw, you have a knob here that loosens, and then this can slide in and out the arm until you get to the right width for your saw that you're mounting to. Then you're done. With the Sawhood White, we have a nice big trap area down here that can also Velcro, but there is no pass-through for a vacuum. So you do have to reach in and vacuum that whole thing out or take it off and dump it off. All right, so our next one here is the Sawhood Pro, which is this guy. So this is a much thinner material, much more lightweight. The original saw hood there, that's a really thick burlap type nylon material. This is thin and lightweight, and it packs up fast and easy into a tiny little carrying bag that it comes with like this. So this is the best solution if you have a big saw and you're trying to set up on a job site, pack it back in your truck fast. So the way it works, same thing with the arm and the mounting holes, like all of our saw hoods. But this one, when you take the pegs out, pull this off your saw, all you have to do to fold it up is you just take the spring steel that it's made out of, take your arms, wrap them all the way around like that, and shove it in your bag, and you're done. And when you want to set up again, just pull it out of the bag, let that open up like that, throw it over your saw, and stick it in the peg holes. Fast, easy, and coolest feature about this one is that if you really want to be a professional and do 100% dust cleanup, there's a port down there that you can stuff your vacuum hose up through, connect it to your saw, so you can have your vacuum running, and then the rest of what the vacuum doesn't get gets collected by the saw hood. It also has this front face here that'll prevent dust blowback from stuff that's hitting the back with high velocity from coming back out at you. So that one is the Sawhood Pro. All right, and this is the Saw Hoodie. This is a little tiny, fast, compact one, but it's not as good for your big 12-inch saws. If the saw is just doing straight cuts like this, it's no problem. But if you have a bigger 12-inch, when you go to do miter angles, especially if you have one of those saws where the arms stick out back past the saw, you can see how you're gonna get some interference here. Now you can make it work. You can easily just pop the saw hood out and let it dangle down at an angle like that off of just one arm while you're doing your miter cuts. And then when you rotate back, just pop it back in. And that's of course a little bit of a waste of motion. That'll slow you down a little bit on the job site. So better for your 8 and 10-inch miter saws. But this guy, the way it works is when you take it off the saw, it's basically a trash bag. So the great thing is you can take this when you're done at the job site, pick up cut-offs, throw them in there, and go dump it, just like a trash bag. So dual purpose, and to fold it up, it just collapses like that, and then we have 2 Velcro straps. You just take the Velcro and attach it on both sides, there and down here, and you have a nice, tiny, lightweight, easy, portable saw hood. So that one is the Saw Hoodie, the newest one in our lineup. And the Saw Hoodie, just like the Sawhood Pro, does have a vacuum hole in the back that you can stick your vacuum hose up through to get ultimate mess cleanup. All right, the last one we have is the shop saw hood. As you might see, and per the name, this one is not a mobile saw hood. This is to mount permanently in your shop, or semi-permanently at least. So with this one, it comes flat packed. We send you these wood sides the brace brackets in the back, but you're gonna have to provide your own 1x3s. It's gonna take 3 of them, but you can make this saw hood whatever width you want. You just cut your 1x3s to that width, and then you're also gonna provide the inside material here. You can use anything you want, signboard, plexiglass. You could even do sheet metal if you're doing metal cutting, you're worried about sparks. We have that out there. We've done one where we have 2 saws wide that fit in a saw hood for metal cutting with a sheet metal in the back. But this guy mounts permanently or semi-permanently with pocket holes and provides a really nice shop aesthetic. And depending on what material you choose for the backer here, you can let natural light come through if you want to, or you can block it off. So that's our lineup of saw hoods. Pick which one you like. Guarantee it's going to save you a ton of time and a ton of headache. The last thing anyone wants to do at the end of a hard day is have to clean up an extra mess that could have just all been contained while you were working. Get the saw hood.